2, 1, action.
Hey guys, it's me, Weston and Dad. We're playing with my remote control fire truck. Here's the remote of it. The fire truck is not made out of nature, but it can squirt water, and water is nature. Back to you, Dad, about my...
So Weston woke up last night at about 3 a.m. and he was a little sick.
Yeah, so ask me to put a thumbs up to make me feel better.
That sounds great. Awesome.
So let's go see the fire truck. I'm just gonna bring them over here. Can you see him right there?
Yep.
It can go on super speed or fast speed. And you can make a sound with it. And it can squirt water. And it can squirt water, see it?
Ooh.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
Puddle?
Action.
And it can also going back and forth when you turn direction. See the wheel turning and the eye turning at the same time? So, like I said, it can squirt water. Just press this button. There's 2 buttons on this one. One that turn on this siren. Honey. Is it on? Okay, it's kind of fun. You can't see it in the daytime, but it's on. These can glow and these 2 can glow when they're forward. And you can barely see them. And just lift it up. When it goes forward, see kind of. Yeah. And like I said, and now let's get Red out of here and we're gonna move out. Okay, so this is the remote. Just press this little button and it turns on. You can see some lights. It's an outdoor and indoor toy. Outdoor you can use the water, and indoor you can't. It's a great toy. And I like it, I guess. Remember to subscribe and watch more of our videos. So come on, click that button now.